Why digital? So I would like to talk about the motivation behind the digital circuits. What I will show you first is a circuit that does something. So this is the circuit. This is a temperature sensor circuit. This is actually a circuit that I had designed many years ago. It just senses the temperature. So these building blocks, you can see this interesting drawing, is a transistor. So there are 11 transistors here. Count them up. There is 11 of them. So you can see there are some here, here, here. You can see some of the bubbles. There are some other circuit components that's called resistors and some other things. So this is a circuit. Well, when you have this circuit, you have to fabricate the circuit so we can actually use it in devices. It actually looks a little bit different, doesn't it? You can see that this is the design of the chip on a computer. So I used a CAD drawing, use a particular software to design this, and you can see a lot of rectangles. This is very, very small. The size of this square from here to here and from here to here is 1 millimeter. It is really, really tiny. So this is the same chip. Get it? This is the computer design, and this is the one left of the square is the computer. It's actually the same thing, but this is a real thing. Again, 1 millimeter by 1 millimeter. The minimum feature here is 0.5 micrometer. That's almost 100 times smaller than the thickness of your hair. To put you in perspective, if this was your fingernail, the chip size is, you can see it's about there. So you can put many chips on a fingernail. So the transistors and circuits are very small. As they get small and small, the functionality gets complex and more complex, and this is why we use digital components, and we try to fit as many digital components as possible so our computers are much stronger and much powerful. So in digital circuits, that's our motivation. We want to use a small number of components to realize a function, so we put those mini functions in a chip. Thank you.